Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beanie. As you see, there's an opening here. You can make it for your boys or girls or yourself. That's really easy beanie, and I use different methods for make this brim. I hope you like this one too. If you want to watch my other beanie videos, you can just look here now. I use these yarns. I think you can understand by now. I really like this yarn. It's size 5 and I use 6.5 millimeter for here, 5.5 millimeter for the brim, and I use 50 millimeter crochet hook for make this one, but you can make your fingers this. I will show you how to make with your fingers too. And if you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I made this one, and I will show you how I made this. Start with a slip knot and chain multiples of 4. Make this chain loosely. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep doing like that. I think that's enough. I'll just make a little sample as always. Insert my hook from that first chain and be sure about not to twist these chains. Just take the yarn and make a slip stitch. Chain 1. I will make a video about these patterns, flat version. You can see it here now. Now we will make the round version. I will turn my chains like that and make the V's or single crochets into that bumps. That's the first one. Yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and make a single crochet. Just skip one chain into the next chain, make one double crochet, yarn over, pull it from these 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from the 2 loops. Chain 1 and into same chain make one more double crochet. That's a V. Skip 1 and into that next one make a single, skip 1 and make one double, chain 1 and one more double into same chain. Skip 1, single crochet, skip 1 and V-stitch. Just keep doing like that and complete this row. I made the last V and into that single crochet just make a slip stitch. Chain 4, 3 chain for a double crochet, 1 chain for 1 chain space, and make a double crochet into same single crochet. That's our first V, and into that V's one chain space, make a single crochet. This single crochet, make a V, double crochet, chain one, and double crochet. That one chain space, make a single crochet. Into single crochet, make one double crochet, chain one double crochet. Into that chain one space, make a single crochet. Let's complete this row like that. I made my last single crochet, and into that third chain, make a slip stitch. Now I will make one more slip stitch into here, that space, chain one, and make a single crochet here. Make a V into that single crochet's eye, make a single crochet into that one chain space. Make a V and a single crochet. We will just keep doing like that for rows and rows. Just like that. I made a little version like that. That's a child size. You can measure around your head or your child's head and make it like that. Just make it at least 8 inches long. I made this one like that. Now I just don't make any decreases, and I will just sew this front part. Just take the yarn and insert your yarn needle here and here. Just sew it like that. I'm making this from the right side because I will use a pom-pom as I always do. But if you don't, please turn the wrong side and sew it like that. I came to the beginning and just close this part and make a tie. As you see, it's really easy. Only maybe hard part is here, the brim. Now we will make the brim. That's the back side of our work, as you see. Now I will divide a part from here. We won't make a brim here. I'll make this just by looking, okay, like that. I didn't make this from here. We will our ears came here, and this is under your ear part. We don't make this part. but we will just make a one row of single crochet here. I will start from here and just make a single crochet, make one more and one more. I will make one single crochet for all the chains. Just keep doing like that, and when you came here, wait for me. I complete the single crochets. Now I will change my crochet hook. Now I will use 5.5 millimeter crochet hook because I want to make this brim a little tighter. Just insert my hook from this first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Now we will start the brim. Chain 7, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you're making this for an adult, you can make these chains bigger, of course. Just turn your chains, skip that first one and make 6 single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will join this part here. This is our first single crochet. We made the first one here. Skip this one, and into that next 2 single crochet, just make slip stitches. Insert your hook and make a slip stitch and make one more. Then turn your work like that and make 6 back loop only single crochet. Just take the back loop, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1, turn, make 6 back loop only single crochet, 4, 5 and 6. We made our last slip stitch here, and into that next 2 single crochet we will make slip stitches. And turn your work, make 6 back loop only single crochet, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will show you one more time. This is our last slip stitch. Just make a slip stitch into the next one and next one. Turn your work like that and make 6 back loop only single crochet. Just make the brim like that. When you came here, you can just finish the brim. I will keep doing and turn again. Now I'm making the last ones. Make 2 slip stitches. Turn your work. Skip these 2 slip stitches and make 6 slips back loop only single crochet. And I will finish it like that. Just cut this yarn. We are almost finished. Only we will add 2 more things. One of them is pom-pom and one of them is this. I will cut 6 pieces of yarn and fold it from the middle like that. One of them is almost 70 inches long, almost 2 meters. I will take the hook and insert from here. Take the yarns like that. And just make the chains. I use 15mm crochet hook as I said before, but you can use your fingers like that. And that's the last one, I think. I'll just take 3 strands and make a tie. And cut this yarn. And the last thing is the pom-pom. I just made a video about how to make this pom-pom, and you can watch it from here now. I will just insert my hook, take the yarn like that, and insert the other side. Take the other yarn and just tie them. And that's it. I hope you like this. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, and I will wait for your comments. I really like to read your comments. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.